How to add a Virgin Money card to Google Pay. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to download and install the Google Pay app on your device. Open the application and then make sure to sign into your Google account. Then you want to tap on the option of Add to Wallet and then follow the instructions. You can either take a picture of your Virgin Money credit card or enter the details manually. If you select the manual method, you will have to enter the card number, expiration date, CVV number, which is your security code, and billing address. Depending on the bank's requirement, you may need to verify your identity or your card ownership. This could involve receiving a one-time password via SMS or email or through another verification method. Review and accept any terms and conditions presented by Google Pay and Virgin Money. You may be prompted to set up a security measure for Google Pay such as PIN, pattern fingerprint, or facial recognition. Once your Virgin Money card is added, Google Pay will perform a small transaction to verify the card. Check your Virgin Money account for this transaction and follow any instructions provided. After successfully adding and verifying your Virgin Money card, you will receive a confirmation message in the Google Pay app. You can now use Google Pay to make purchases in store, online, and in apps that accept contactless payment. In order to pay, all you have to do is unlock your phone, hold it near the reader and look for the check mark. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.